In today's video, we're installing a boost pipe from Kies Motorsports on my N55 BMW. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to yet another video. So if you like my videos, make sure to give them a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. Like previously mentioned, today we're going over the boost pipe installation. So better yet, the turbo to intercooler charge pipe, also known as the boost pipe. One of those installations that if you're going to do the boost pipe, you might as well do the charge pipe, and vice versa. If you're going to do the charge pipe, you might as well do the boost pipe. Same with if you're interested in doing an intercooler as well. These kind of all just go hand in hand, that while you're there you might as well just do them. I've had an upgraded charge pipe and an upgraded intercooler for some time now, and today we're going to go ahead and tackle the boost pipe as well. So the main weak point on the M235i is certainly the charge pipe. In comparison to the boost pipe, the charge pipe is just a full plastic piece, so where the charge pipe meets the throttle body is usually where these tend to explode. And in comparison to the boost pipe has metal on both ends. Just the only weak spot of the boost pipe is just a rubberized plastic that can just balloon over time. So we're going to go ahead and address that today, so let's get started. Alright, so here is the full Kies combo kit. Conveniently comes with a German Shepherd once you open the box. So to the right over here we got the boost pipe with the necessary clamps. Comes with the O-ring already installed and all the hardware. Over here we got the charge pipe, all the hardware, the clamps, the O-rings, everything we need, all conveniently in one package. We got the 235 looking nice and clean. As you guys can see, we got this beautiful MST intake. We got the charge pipe over here. And then as you can see on the N55, there's literally no room to even see the boost pipe. So this entire install will be going from underneath. Mostly will be strictly done by just feel and not even be able to see what we're doing. It's going to be a very tight fit. But yeah, we're currently running the CSF Intercooler, upgraded charge pipe, Turbosmart diverter valve, as well as this MST turbo inlet pipe with the MST Air Intake. We're running a high flow catted down pipe, as well as the full AW exhaust with the Midpipe. So once we get this boost pipe installed, we'll officially be full bolt-ons. Car jacked up, let's go ahead and remove this belly pan. It's just a bunch of 8mm screws. Belly pan removed. We got the intercooler right here. Here is the boost pipe right there. And then as you guys can see, there's just not much room, so it's going to be a super tight fit. So let's get started, remove this C-clamp, and keep on going. And then in comparison, here is the stock boost pipe, just this very flimsy rubber material. I found it was easier to get the black plastic clip and then the clamp off from up top and then slide it on out from the bottom, but it was definitely easier just to wiggle my hand in from the very top just to remove this black clip. And then in comparison, I mean, compared to this just flimsy rubber material, the aluminum gloss black piece from Kies just looks absolutely beautiful, as well as just night and day difference compared to this. And honestly, It's almost a shame. The Kies charge pipe and the Kies boost pipe, they're so nice. It's a shame that the boost pipe won't even be visible from the engine bay. So it's just gonna be hidden underneath everything. But it is so nice. It's such a shame that I'll never really get to see it. Alright, if you guys can see that all the way down there, the gloss black with the silver C-clip is fully installed, and as you can see, there's literally no room. I found it a little bit easier to take the clamp off, get the boost pipe fitted onto the turbo, and then from the top refit the C-clamp. And as you guys can see, it's rock solid. Mid-install, and literally just starts snowing. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the intercooler back up and mounted. The boost pipe is fully installed. There's not really much room up there. I found it was easier just to take the couplers and the clamps and then just mount them to the boost pipe, and then as I was bringing the intercooler back up to just fit right into the coupler, that seemed to work out a little bit easier. But other than that, yeah, like I said, it's almost a shame that I'm never going to get to see the boost pipe. Alright, just like that, install is complete. Just a little bit of patience. Took a little bit longer than I thought it was, just because there's really no room. A lot of it you're just doing by strictly just feel. You can't really see much. N55 was just such a tight fit in the engine bay. Pretty much all was done from the bottom, besides just getting off the first clamp from the very top when I was taking off the OEM boost pipe. But other than that, I mean, don't be afraid to just grab a jack and jack stand, get right in your driveway and get to wrenching. It's definitely doable, even though it's just going to take some patience. It's such a super tight fit, so that's where the challenge is mostly. But other than that, it's pretty simple, straightforward install, some more preventative maintenance. So as per usual, if you're interested, I'll have links down in the description. Get your Kies charge pipe, boost pipe kit. So we'll have the charge pipe video at a later time. So if you like my videos, make sure to give them a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. I appreciate you guys for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.